the codes of light you carry inside. Anchor a new way of life. Heart-centered being, awareness and seeing. You are out on the leading.
Hey guys, so just a quick announcement. I recently started a Patreon, so if you would like to support the creation of my videos on my YouTube channel, the link to that is down in the description down below. I have a bunch of really cool rewards. The best of which is that if you pledge a certain amount, I will shout out one of your social media accounts or your business, or a social media account or business of something you'd like to support. So feel free to check that out in the description down below. I'm really excited to be stepping into a new level for my YouTube and abundance and all of that stuff. So thank you so much if you pledge. If not, it's all good. Just putting it out there. Many blessings, you guys. Mwah. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel Soul Journey. My name is Beck, and I am doing another 4Ocean reveal unboxing thing. Unfortunately, we lost the keys to our mailbox room and mailbox like about 2 weeks ago, so this is like 2 or 3 weeks late, so it's already been announced. I've been trying not to see what it is, but I'm pretty sure I know what it is, so c'est la vie. So for those of you who don't know, 4Ocean is a company that pulls trash out of the ocean, and they make bracelets made out of recycled material to fund their project. So for each bracelet sold, you pull 1 pound of trash out of the ocean. And currently they're working on a monthly subscription. I forget what month this is. I mean, like the number. I guess I could figure it out. What is it? August? So 8? Whoa. 8? Really? Crazy. So this is for the month of August, and so 10% of each of the monthly bracelets, which are only available that month, goes to a specific organization helping a certain thing for the ocean. So like 1 month it was polar bears, 1 month it was coral, etc. So it's very cool. If you subscribe, it's $20 a month, and they send you a bracelet a little early. Again, this is a bit late because of the mailbox issue. All of their packaging, they try to make it recycled material, you know, water-based inks, yada yada. Really awesome company. So, alright, so let's see what we got here. Stop overfishing, it is what I thought it was. It looks like the bracelet is red this month. Very exciting. I only have one of my bracelets on right now. It's the World Ocean Day, I believe, bracelet. No, yes, World Ocean Day bracelet from last year. It says, thank you. For thousands of years, humans have been fishing the seemingly endless supply of fish in the world's oceans to sustain our ever-growing population. We could just stop eating fish, that would help. However, modern fishing techniques can wipe out entire fish populations, and now we are seeing the effects of that sustained pressure. In addition, when this fishing gear comes to be too old, oh my gosh. In addition, when this fishing gear becomes too old to be effective, it is not disposed of properly or is simply cut loose into the open ocean, only to end up as a death trap for countless other marine animal species like whales, sea turtles, porpoises, and sharks. So I just want to like put out there, you guys, I'm vegan, so obviously I don't eat fish, but for instance, this problem, if we stopped eating even just fish, that market would go away, and we'd be helping save a ton of other animals and fish. So just putting that out there. Because each bracelet purchased removes 1 pound of trash from the ocean and coastlines, we are taking a stand for cleaner oceans and all marine life by removing this gear and debris from their environment. We have also partnered with Sea Legacy so that each bracelet sold helps further their mission to create healthy and abundant oceans for all of us. This overfishing bracelet represents your support. Awesome. So, this is the little thing. At the beginning of the year, we got a little box for our like set, and each one comes with a little booklet that you can put in there. So, made from recycled materials, hand assembled in Bali. So their original like main office was in Florida, and it's still there, but now they have another main office in Bali, which is super cool. Alright, so the overfishing bracelet. The world's oceans have been fished for centuries, but modern fishing techniques have the ability to wipe out entire blah 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 blah. In addition, gear like drift nets, gill nets, and long lines take a massive toll on many forms of marine life caught as bycatch. I don't know some of these words. Okay, 80% of all fisheries are either fully exploited or overexploited. Wow. Each bracelet helps protect the ocean from the effect of overfishing. Abandoned or lost fishing gear makes up 10% of all ocean litter. Just think about that for a second. Together with Sea Legacy, we are protecting marine life by helping to remove nets, cleaning other types of trash and debris from the marine environment, as well as spreading the message about marine conservation, as well as all of our bracelets come into 1 pound. Okay. It says that every month. Okay, I am so excited. Look at this, it's red. The other bracelet that was sort of red was the coral one. So this is this, so it's a bit brighter. Yeah, super excited. And it looks like the charm has changed a little bit. The 4 used to be closer to the O. So that's cool. So anyway, this is from Bali. Super excited. So again, if you guys would like to support 4Ocean, just go to 4ocean.com. I will link at the end of this video their YouTube channel, so you can kind of see what they're doing. Really awesome. They just hit 1 million pounds, which is super exciting. Last year their goal was 250,000 pounds, which they reached just by the end of the year. Their goal this year was 1 million pounds, and they've already reached it, so it's super exciting. They've only been around for about 1.5 years now, a little over that. So it's really amazing. So if you want to help with that, you can go to 4ocean.com and just get 1 bracelet. You can get the one for this month, or you can get their regular bracelet, which is the normal blue 4Ocean bracelet. You can also give them your email, and they will let you know when they're in your area, and you can help with beach cleanup, which is super awesome. I'm trying to get this bracelet on while I'm talking. Really cool. It was started by 2 guys, surfer guys, who basically were in the ocean, were like, what is the deal here? So they decided to drop everything and start this company. So really amazing company. I absolutely love them. Be sure to check them out. They're growing in popularity so much, it's amazing. With each bracelet, you are literally helping to empty the ocean of plastic. You know, it's really good to be conscious about not putting more in, but we also need to work on taking out, so we can be on both sides of that project. So if you like this video, please hit like and hit subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. My other social media links, I haven't done this in so long. My other social media links are in the description down below. I have my Instagram, my Etsy shop, and my Patreon if you want to help continue me things. If you want to help me produce my videos, I would be much appreciated. Love you guys so much, and don't forget, it's all about the soul journey.